This is the demo for showing what PAIC can do for a restaurant. PAIC is a professional AI assistant in chat, and we are going to jump right into the action. So the client will contact the WhatsApp of the restaurant. In this case, we have an example for a restaurant which is called Lola Taberna. So as you can see, he's sending the reservation reminders for previous bookings that I did. So without going to any other case, let's showcase that. I have a reminder today that I received for a reservation that I have for tonight. So I will not make it, so I will just say cancel. To book for tomorrow at 2. See, this is a confirmation of the previous action. Your booking has been canceled, right? So this is coming like, yeah, the AI is telling me that the booking has been canceled, but anyway, the system is like also performing the action and sent me the confirmation of that action, right? Now he's coming back and telling me, sounds good. You are looking for a table for tomorrow, Saturday at 2. Since it falls during the La Fiesta brunch on Saturdays, please note that we offer a special set package instead of a regular menu, right? This is very important because there is no normal menu that day, so he is letting me know. I type 2 of us. Sit out and no coriander, please. Right. Notice that the whole conversation is here, so you can follow. If you want to follow also the replies, they have access to this WhatsApp. This WhatsApp is their own number, so they can jump in the conversation at any point, you know? But if you want to follow here in the dashboard, you can see that the booking has been recorded. He already detected that I am ambassador. Why? Because under my profile, 20% discount. So he already knows who I am. Now this is, here we can see that he's telling me reservation has been registered, and then he's performing the action. And when everything looks fine, the restaurant also can disable the auto confirmation. So it will be the confirmation will be sent only when they click, when they confirm. But right now, it's automatically done. So any conversation coming in will go through. So he's telling me that the reservation is for tomorrow at 2 for 2 people. It's telling me any information this restaurant want to put there. And then, some actions like share location, right? And send me the map, or maybe view the menu. Regarding bringing the kids, it depends on when you plan to visit. On Saturday, La Fiesta brunch is an adult-only event. However, after that, or she is offering the Sunday brunch, which is family-friendly. I'm forcing a situation where clearly the AI will hand over. Here, for example, I will say that I forgot my wallet, or that I really need something very special. In this case, it is because I have configured that they have a different WhatsApp. But if it's configured in the same WhatsApp, it will tell here like, I notified the team. They will jump in this chat, and at any moment, the staff will take the control. When the staff take the control, then the AI will stop replying. It will disengage. So now you can see that here is a call requested, and you can see here that from Martinez, and this is what is the reply. By knowing what is the reply, you know more or less you can get the whole conversation. But if you need the full conversation, you can just always copy here the number, come here to the chats and search for it. Okay, so for now we are going to just click here. If I don't click here, it will stay here. It will stay in many places letting me know that something is pending for me to check. You can see all the bookings that are coming from the AI. You can always validate it in order to make sure that everything is fine. Like this, it will mean that nothing is pending, right? All the conversations will show up here. Then we can go to the bookings, and we can see how many bookings do we have for today, for the next day, for the future 7 days, right? So whatever is like this means that has been done automatically. And then, in case for Lola, they want to have this in order to know, if they need to handle something, 7 rooms, maybe they want to see the canceled ones. While this is happening, I will go up because we saw that we have this reminder that we canceled. This comes a day before for all the reservations. And then also, at some point, even without me asking, it was like proactively saying, we have special Valentine's menu, and give some information. Also, don't forget our regular happenings. This is pure marketing of whatever is going on in the restaurant. The thing is, it was sent to me because I was previously talking to the chat. This is very different of sending this to all the customers that maybe they were not talking to the chat in a long time, or they went to the restaurant only once. Sometimes this feels like annoying when the users receive this kind of massive marketing campaigns. So this will only send after the user has been having a conversation already. Now we can see that we received something else. OK is done, but now the system is like confirming, yeah, the cancellation has been performed, and here we can see that this booking has been canceled, right? We can decide to see the cancellations or to don't see the cancellations, up to the filter that we apply. So now what this allows us is like, okay, I took it to 7 rooms or I didn't take it to 7 rooms, so my suggestion is to keep all the bookings here. Don't put anything in 7 rooms, just maintain the bookings here, because the people book and then later cancel and all. So when the date comes and you are in today, then today you take it to 7 rooms. So, and here also, of course, you can cancel. You have the view of the calendar also, right? Telling you what was canceled for the next day. Canceled as well, or you can say for the week. This is how it looks the calendar every day, per hour, or even the month view. And then this is where the staff can enable or disable the auto-confirmation. By having enabled it, it will take the reservations automatically. If it's disabled, it will wait. It will wait for them to come here and click Confirm. So they can make a reservation by themselves also from here, right? And then they can hold it here. I mean, the normal thing is that they just confirm. Exactly. The confirmation for the new booking that they did with me. Other things that we can see, we can come to the clients, all the clients here. We can explore the clients and see all the information. We can also say human contact only. This means that when this client is texting to the WhatsApp, it will never receive a reply by the AI, so has to be the human, the staff, that has to engage. That's different also if you want to block somebody. There are maybe providers or some marketing numbers that are texting you, you can block them. So then, no matter if they text or not, the restaurant will never receive those messages. But anyway, the moment the staff take the control and chat with the user, the AI will disconnect, and will disconnect for 1 hour or for 1 day. You can configure that. This is just real data, but has been masked. You can see like how they do, what is the best day that they perform, the restaurant, all the stats, bookings, lunch, dinner, all of this can be captured by the platform or can be input manually, up to you. The information has been masked, so just for privacy. You can manage the availability here. This is how the shifts work. How many shifts, from which time to what time. See here, there is only 29 seats available because there is a reservation from 1 people, right? So it will tell the different shifts, the happy hour, the lunch. And for example, if on Monday you want something specifically, this is the default, right? And in which days apply. But for Monday, the restaurant have an event already and they want to have something different. So they don't want to have anything for lunch because there is an event schedule. And because it's Monday, yeah, the dinner normally dinner 30 and here, 40. So then that day it will be 0. It will not take anything for lunch, it will not take anything for happy hour because there is something going on and it will take up to 30 and up to 40. Utils. Why is telling me about the events, the special events? It's because of this. It's because I can create events, I can put the entry, all these things. Then the smart marketing. This is how it will track all the people that are talking to the chat and it will send the marketing. This is also tracking if the user has been replying after the marketing action. In my case, yes, that's why we were doing all this testing. You can also create payment links. So for example, let's say that I want to capture payment for today, and then I will just generate, right? Please use this payment link to confirm your booking.